Today's video will teach us about a quantum computing stock that might go ballistic pretty soon. By 2030, quantum computing is going to be a $125 billion market. If we need to power tomorrow's applications, there's just no other option. Look at the hottest new ideas right now. AI and ChatGPT, VR, electric cars, blockchain, NFT, space technology, military applications. Everything needs better computing power. And the solution is knocking at our doorsteps in the form of quantum computing. It is the only option likely to work right now, and that's why so much money is pouring into it. In fact, quantum computing startups raised $1.85 billion last year in funding. But what is the best play in this sector that can help you get on board the quantum train? We are going to cover that in this video. Before we go ahead, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to get more such updates from our channel. And remember, if you would like to get the news on the fastest moving stocks based on world news and current events every morning before the market opens, join our free newsletter, the EliteTrade.club. To join, check the link in the video's description. Now we're going to talk about IonQ. This stock is listed on the NYSE under the ticker symbol IONQ. Most analysts agree that IonQ is perhaps the only pure play quantum computing stock with solid credentials that are listed right now. The company was founded in 2015, but its stock went live only in 2021. It produces trapped ion quantum computers for general use. Don't worry if you don't understand what that means. We are not going to bore you with the details. IonQ has strategic partnerships with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud in the cloud computing space, which is where the bulk of their bookings are coming from at the moment. It also has some pretty big names on the customer and partnerships list, such as Airbus, GE, Goldman Sachs, and Hyundai. It recently won a contract from the U.S. Air Force Research Base for $13.4 million and announced another partnership with Dell. IonQ also acquired a Toronto-based startup called Entangled Networks, which will help them figure out the software they need for multi-core and multi-QPU hardware that they are soon to launch. They are even opening a new office in Seattle to get the talent they need to build customer-ready software for their quantum computing systems. But why should you invest in it? Before going public, IonQ had announced bookings targets for every year, signaling a clear focus on revenue. In the last 2 years, they have been beating those numbers by significant margins. To put it in figures, the company earned $16.7 million worth of bookings in 2021, which went up by 50% to $24.5 million in 2022. The IonQ stock currently has a buy rating from several analyst firms, with 155% growth projected in the near term. It's also got cash and assets in the bank worth $555 million, which are going to help fund its revenue growth in the near future. A lot of hedge funds are interested in the stock. As many as 49 funds have a stake in IonQ, including big-ticket names like Hussman Funds and MSD Partners. But before any investment, here's something you should remember. IonQ's technology is unproven, and it is probably going to take a few years for quantum computing to become really mainstream. As of now, the stock is very risky. While its revenues have been growing in the past couple of years, there is no guarantee that it will continue to do so this year as well. So you should only buy this stock if you're absolutely sure you want to get into this space. Remember to do your own research before investing, and make sure to always keep your portfolio diversified to avoid major losses. So that's it for IonQ, folks. Thank you for your time. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to get more updates like this. And we will see you again in the next video.